Hey guys, I'm Voylin and today I will show you how I make my study schedule for learning Japanese. Before you can make a study schedule, you have to know which things you want to learn from that subject. For me it's Japanese. But what things can I learn around Japanese? Let's take a pen and paper and just follow what I do. It will be all clear by the end. So let's start by saying we want to learn Japanese. I put my camera like upside down and I'm not trusting it at all. This is how it looks right now. I have a terrible handwriting, by the way. What can we learn? We can learn the kana. So that's one. And also the katakana is something that I easily forget about, so it's always nice to refresh it every now and then. What else can we... so this is all writing now, so let's go for kanji as well. Some say it's not necessary to learn the kanji separately and not really useful, but for me, when I'm learning, the kanji helps me to remember from, okay, so that word means that because that kanji means that and that kanji means that. The grammar, vocab, listening, speaking. So what else we have? We have the kana, and I have all inked over my hand now. So we have kana, kanji, grammar, vocabulary, listening, speaking. What else can we add to that? Let me think. And something that is also very important is reviewing. That's like the most important part about studying any language or anything. So let's talk about making a schedule out of this. So we have all these things. Let's see if it's in focus. Yes. So we have speaking, kana, kanji, grammar, reviewing, listening, and vocabulary. Reviewing is something that I always like to do first. So first, reviewing. I have terrible handwriting. Don't really watch it. So that can take from 1 hour up to 2 hours. It matters on how much work I have, because sometimes I have 500 words and sometimes just like 50 like today. For kanji, I know 800 of the Joyo kanji, but I still have to do like 1336. That makes for around 45 kanji a day. By the way, my deadline is I have to know everything that I'm writing down. I want to know in 30 days, because that's about the time that I will go back to Japan. So deadline 30, 45 each day, which results in about 1 hour. So for my grammar, I'm using Human Japanese. So I have around 30 lessons left. That's around 1 lesson a day, and that usually takes around 20 minutes. Vocab, I have around 1500 words that I have to learn in 30 days. That makes for around 50 words each day. 1.5 hours. I'm so sorry for my handwriting. Listening and speaking. I have around 60 lessons left in total. So that's around 2 lessons a day. And 1 lesson is around 20 to 30 minutes, so I will make that around 1 hour a day. So this is what I will be learning every single day. So that will take minimum 1, 2, 3, 4, around 4 to 5 hours a day. So what's the point of this study schedule? Why would you need a study schedule? Because in 1 month I have to know this because I'll be going back to Japan. These are the things that I should keep working on, and if I know these things, I know that I'll be a lot more fluently in Japanese. Which is necessary not only for my visit to Japan, but also for my future. I have 30 days. I have these things that I should do in 1 day. But like, for example, studying my kanji. I really enjoy studying kanji separately. It's more like a game for me. So some days I can even study that for or work on that for 4 or 5 hours a day. Some days I can do more, and then I know from, okay, next day I can or spend that extra time that I have left over doing something else, or I just take some time free and do something else like watch anime or play games or anything, or go out. It's kind of a little bit bad weather because it's been sunny for the whole day, but it's sunny. I can go out for a bike ride or walking, hiking, everything. So yeah, if you make a study schedule, try to make it somewhat flexible. There's like really no point in making a schedule that you don't enjoy doing. You have to stand behind it at least a little bit. Make it flexible to make it more fun and enjoyable for you. Thank you all for watching, guys. If you don't like the video, you know what to do. If you like the video, you know what to do. And leave a comment below of how your study plan looks like. My study plan is 4 to 5 hours a day. Yours can be like a lot more easy, like 1 hour a day, 2 hours a day. Try to fit everything into the hour schedule that fits your schedules best. And yeah, see you all in my next video, and good luck planning and learning, because learning is fun. Very, very fun. Very much fun.